Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Travel Tips with Veena World. I'm Neil Patil. On today's episode, let's talk about exchanging money and more specifically exchanging money at airports. Now, at every single airport, you will find not one, not two, but many foreign currency exchange outlets and kiosks. And often they are like something that we just see at the right time because many of us, including me, often have done the mistake of forgetting to prepare for the currency part of our trip. And then the airport presents us with one last chance to exchange money because we often worry that we won't be able to exchange money in the place that we are going to. And yes, we fall for it. So we go to the outlet or an ATM at the airport and we exchange money. Now this is where today's tip comes in handy. So as a general rule, exchanging money at airports is generally not recommended, as the exchange rates offered at airport currency exchange booths are often not as favorable as those offered by banks and other currency exchange providers in the city area. Additionally, airport currency exchange providers often charge high commission fees and service charges, which can make the exchange more expensive, and this commission can be crazy high. If you do need to exchange currency and you're at an airport, my suggestion is that you wait until you reach the city and find a reputable bank or currency exchange provider instead of doing it at the airport. Many banks and exchange offices offer better exchange rates and lower fees than those found at the airport. Now, if we can't exchange money, the other option at an airport is an ATM. Now, although withdrawing money at airports can be convenient, but that is also generally not recommended, and I would not recommend exchanging money or withdrawing money at an airport. The exchange rates offered at airport ATMs are often not as favorable either. Additionally, airport ATMs may charge higher fees than other ATMs, and they may also have a limit on the amount of money you can withdraw per transaction. Add to that ATM withdrawal charges that your credit card or debit card may have. So be sure to look that up too. Before traveling, it is also good to check with your bank about any international withdrawal fees, daily limits, and also if your bank has a presence in the country you're traveling to. If you need to withdraw money at the airport, it's best to check with your bank to see if they have any partnerships with airport ATMs. Some banks have agreements with specific ATM networks that allow their customers to withdraw money without paying additional fees. It is also a good idea to inform your bank that you're traveling so that they are aware of the transactions that are happening in another country that is not your home country. And because of such transactions being termed suspicious, they do not block your card for security reasons. In summary, it is best to avoid exchanging money at an airport or withdrawing money at an ATM at an airport. Instead, use credit cards or debit cards or exchange money before you get to an airport or once you reach your final destination, but that should not be the airport of that destination. So that's it on 5-Minute Travel Tips. So just be prepared, and I hope this episode of 5-Minute Travel Tips also prepares you for an amazing trip. So as we always say at Veena World, continue celebrating life, and that's it on today's episode. See you the next time. Bye-bye.